Girls Education South Sudan gives cash transfers to all girls enrolled from primary 5 to secondary 4 in schools across South Sudan as an incentive to stay in school and complete their education. Children, and especially girls with disabilities, often miss out or drop out of school early because of negative societal beliefs and other environmental and financial barriers. GESS has been working hard to change this by improving national systems for collecting disability data and tracking that girls with disabilities receive the cash transfers.
When I was in secondary school, I received money from Girls Education South Sudan. The money helped me with school materials, books and fans, and also repair my wheelchair when it is broke down. The money made my movement to school easy.
Families of children with disabilities often face additional costs to enable their children to go to school, such as assistive devices, medications, and transport, and maybe even loss of income as they have to care for their children.
I am happy for the support I received from GESS. The money I received helped me transport in school and sometimes to take care of my baby. When I had the baby, I thought I cannot complete my school. But my grandmother pushed me to go back to school.
We know that girls with disabilities face even more barriers because of the condition that they are in and so forth. So we've had a particular systematic approach during the second phase to ensure that girls with disabilities receive the cash transfers and are identified, of course, as part of the mobilization.
Cash transfer is improving the education of people with disabilities. You see, long time ago, in villages around, people with disabilities were being ignored, not to be sent to school.
My name is Martha. I'm in Oxford doing sciences. I want to become a doctor to save people with disability like me. You may not know that I have eye problems that affect me with my study.
Technology has taken over the world. I don't want my community to be left behind. I love computer science. I want to complete my course and be able to help my community.
Girls with disabilities have talents and ambitions, but they face many obstacles. The cash transfers distributed through GESS have helped girls like Ajok and Martha to continue with their education, and like Joyce to go on to higher education to become professionals in different career fields and reach their full potential.
A tremendous effort has been taken by GESS to identify girls with disabilities in the communities, mobilize them to come to school, and track their attendance. When I was a child with visual impairment in the school, such help received by Martha and Joy through the cash transfers, although not much, would have made a significant difference for me. In fact, the additional costs faced by children with disabilities are significant and often prohibit them from completing their careers. Attention should be given in the future to provide a top-up to the cash transfers. That, together with improved services and research in the rolled out on the national policy of inclusive education, will end decades of discrimination and lack of opportunities in education for children and youth with disabilities.
Ben Low Pogo is a living example of what can be achieved if learners with disabilities receive the necessary support to attend school.